how to use Google Task Manager or Google Task in order to manage your task to-do list, how you can simply manage your work, your meetings, your corporate things. So for this, to manage your time, to manage your to-do list, you can simply download the Google Task Manager from the official Google Play Store. You can search for Task Manager. As you can see, I have already installed this application, so I'm going to open it right on my device. This is a part of Google Workspace. It will automatically track your information and log into your account. Please sign in with your Gmail account, as I'm already signed in, as you can see on the right top of the screen. Now, here is two options called My Task and New List. You can click on the Add option here to simply add a task here. I will enter that gem and then save it. This is how you can save and take the task as completed, or you can manage anything from this list. This is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching the video.